Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you learn on how to get money on Temu without inviting your friends. So in this video, we are going to use another social media platform, which is the Pinterest, but actually we can also use another social media platforms. But for this video, we're just going to focus on Pinterest, okay? So first thing that we should do is we have to open any of our web browser and then go to the Temu website. Okay, so you can use the search bar at the tab and search for Temu. And then, of course, you have to log in with your account. So now that you're here, all you have to do is to open a new tab. And then we're just going to type out Pinterest. And if you don't have a Pinterest account yet, so you just have to sign up for one. Okay, so here is my Pinterest account right here. So when I click on this option right here, the top right, be able to see here my account. Okay, so now that we have our Pinterest on this tab, let us go back to Temu. Then right here, just have to scroll down all the way to the bottom. Okay, we just have to look for this option, which is the affiliate and influencer earn commission. So you just have to simply click on it and you'd be directed to another tab. Okay, so right here, you'd be able to see your dashboard. Okay, so I have here my available cash, and this is the affiliate and influencer program. Here we can earn commission from referrals in global 68 countries. So you can check here the details about the countries. So here we are going to share our link or code, get your referral, and earn our commission. Here for the referrals can get a section, we have these different options. Okay, so we just have to share this one to earn our commission. But what we can do here is we are going to click on the share to earn option. Okay, so this one over here, so we have here a guide, so we have to share our link to our code, then get referrals, and then earn commission. Okay, so now that we already know about how we can earn our money, so we just have to click on this share to earn option, and then right here we can copy the text for simplified sharing, or we can also copy the link, copy the code, or share items. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this simplified sharing. Okay, so let me just copy the code first, and then after that, let us now go back on Temu, okay, and look for a product that we are going to use so that we can promote our link and earn our commission. So going back here on Temu, let us try to look for a product that we think might help us to promote our link or code. Okay, so I'm going to use this product, but actually I can go to the bestseller section to be able to see here the products that are on demand as of the moment. Okay, so but for this video, I'm just going to stick with using this product. So what you're going to do is you just have to simply save one of the most important image of that specific product, because we are going to use that photo on Pinterest later on. Okay, so I think this image is the best one, so I'm just going to save it in my folder. So you just have to right click this image and then just save it on your folder. Okay, so let me just put it right here, and then after that just click on save. Okay, so later on we're going to copy the title, but for now let's go to Pinterest, and then right here you just have to simply click on the create option. Okay, that's right, and right here you can choose a file or drag and drop it here. I'm just going to click on this arrow option, then after that just select your image, and then right here we're just going to type out the title or just copy and paste it right here. Okay, so let me just copy the title. Okay, and then let's go back to Pinterest. Let me just paste it right here, and the next one is the description. And if that specific product doesn't have any description, so you can use AI tools to create your own description. But for this one, I'm just going to use the rest of the text right here as our description, just an example. Okay, so let me just copy this one and then go back to Pinterest and then paste it right here. Now for the link, all you have to do is to go back to that product, and then using the share button at the top, you just have to simply click on it and then get the clean link of this product. Okay, so this one, go back to Pinterest and then you just have to simply paste it right here on the link section. So here in the description section, we're going to paste here the simplified text for sharing. So let's go back to our affiliate account, and then we just have to copy the text for simplified sharing. So just click on copy. Okay, and then go back here on Pinterest. Then we're just going to paste it right here. Okay, that's right. So we have here the link, the different links, and of course the code. So when someone found this product on Pinterest, then they're going to read the description, be able to see here all of the details that they need. Okay, so after typing out here all of the important information or details so that we can promote our affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, so we are going to publish this now, but we can choose a border here, tag topics, and add more products. Okay, so after that, just click on publish. Then right here, I'm just going to click on view to see the product that we have posted. Okay, so once someone click on that link, and then they're going to use our code right here, or the things that we have used in order to promote our affiliate link, then we are going to get our commissions. And going back here, we can also directly click on share items, and right here we can pick the items that we can share. So below the products, you'd be able to see here if how much you can earn. So you just have to simply click on it, and right here you'd be able to see this guide. So first, step one, you just have to long press the picture to save it in your album, and then you just have to open Temu and scan this QR code. So by following this step, you'd be able to share this item to any kind of social media platform. Okay, so for example, we are going to find another product that has more commission than this. Okay, so remember, you just have to make sure that the product that you are going to promote is on demand. Okay, so as you can see right here, we also have the option that we can share it to Pinterest or X. Okay, so for example, this product. Okay, so you just have to do the same. You just have to simply long press the picture to save it to album, and then just have to open Temu and scan to view. Okay, and then after that, you just have to simply click on share text. So basically, you don't need to invite friends in order for you to earn your commission or to make money here on Temu. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.